To link your ORCID account with Iris, you must first open the ORCID settings page, which is accessible from your researcher profile. To access your researcher profile, you can go through the Login menu at the top right, then choose the option My Account and Profile. You will be redirected to a page titled User Account. Click on View to access the full view of your profile. You can also access your researcher profile through the search tool. Click on People. Then enter your name in the search bar. Click Search, and once the results appear, click on your name to open your researcher profile. Once on your profile, click on the icon with 3 small dots to open the Options menu, then select Open ORCID Setting Page. On the ORCID Authorizations page, click on Connect to ORCID ID. A new ORCID page will open, prompting you to sign in with your ORCID credentials to authorize the connection with Iris. Once authorization is granted, your ORCID and Iris profiles will be synchronized.